This video shows how to process resource requirements. Resource coordinators and authorized users can process resource requirements from Scheduling Charts Requirements section. User will be able to view and process requirements as per the permissions defined by the administrator. In this example, user has rights to process requirements of all projects. In this example, we will demonstrate how the user can process requirements of Project A. To focus on requirements of Project A, user can filter requirements based on project. To further focus on requirements that need attention, user can filter requirements based on their status. To process a requirement, user first needs to know which resource can be assigned against the requirement. In an organization with relatively small number of resources, the processor may already know which resource to assign, so processor can directly drag the requirement in front of the resource to fulfill the requirement. But in a mid or large-sized organization, qualified resources may not be known to the processor, so the processor can use the Suggest Resources option to identify qualified resources. Suggest Resources option filters resources based on requirement parameters, such as role, conditions, etc. Filtered resources are listed as per their match score that is calculated using the requirement conditions and their weightage. Now that the processor can view qualified resources along with their match score, he can simply drag and drop the requirement in front of the resource he wants to assign. This assigns the resource and the requirement status indicator turns green, implying it's now fulfilled. In some scenarios, assigning a resource against a requirement might end up overloading the resource. To resolve this, processor can reduce the effort by editing the booking. This will imply that the requirement has been partially fulfilled and still needs another resource assigned to it. User can then assign the remaining requirement to other qualified resources. Thank you for watching.